Patient could not even sit for more than 10 minutes due to severe back pain he had been complaining of for the past 10 years. Here is the patient's testimonial after 15 days of treatment.
I had this back pain for over 10 years. Without the back rest, I can't sit more than 10-15 minutes because the lower back pain, what I had, I cannot feel that, which I was having it for over 10 years now. So this is one thing, it's like a miraculously it is gone. I would recommend everyone who is trying to do any physiotherapy and trying to come here, try this process and realize the difference. And I can bet that it would be a completely a successful story for anybody. Hi, my name is Krishna. I've come to this Ayuryukti Agnikarma center for my back pain treatments. Like I got hurt in the gym in 2006, 2007. So I did an MRI. They said it's more of a spasm, but nothing to do with any of the joints and other stuff. So I did a lot of physiotherapy. It was all temporary relief that I was always getting, and slowly it started aggravating, especially the right side, lower back was paining a lot, and I think I was only knowing only to do the physiotherapy. I was doing a lot of. I even went to some Ayurvedic clinics for only taking massages, but nothing beyond that. And I did try Puttaparthi, where they put the treatment with using some kind of a gel and wooden pieces. Then I tried. Then somebody said about the chiropractic procedures. So that's a quite expensive procedure, by the way. So, but I went there. I did some 20 sessions. They tried to break your knuckles and try to align this. I used to really travel far only to do that, but still it wasn't giving any relief.
So that you have done for 20 days?
For 20 days, yes.
Okay.
They said it should be fine now that the nerves will be relaxed and it will be aligned, but not satisfactory results. Then I kept doing only the physiotherapy in different places. Whoever used to suggest me, I used to go there. And finally, like the pain now started since last 1-2 years. The pain is like very continuous. I can feel if I'm sitting. So I sit. So I used to do a lot of oil massages, all the sprays and other stuff, but that was not working. Then recently this year the pain has also aggravated a lot. So one of the Dr. Anjali from Bangalore, she suggested Dr. Arvind Lokare here in Kasturi Nagar. They do the treatment called Agnikarma basically. So in the beginning I was not very much knowing what is the entire process. I came here, then he took me through the procedure of different prakritis. One have like Vata, Pitta, and different. So he showed me that I am having a Vata prakriti, and he explained me more than 30 minutes about different characteristics of Vata. And when he was saying, I could imagine everything is mine. Every other characteristics is exactly mine, whether it is gastric or with the way I am obese or whatever reasons. Then he explained how does the treatment work in terms of taking a massage and having a steam, and getting into this Agnikarma process. This Agnikarma process is very special because everything is treated with fire and heat. There is a needle therapy, there is cupping therapy, there is a therapy using gold, they heat it up and give it to your body, and they also have the process of deep therapy. Everything looks exciting, but yeah, it's not very painful. But I started first 2-3 days. It was like I could see there is a lot of soreness, and I was not able to believe whether something is happening or not. So it went on for 4 to 5 days. Suddenly, my concentration on the back completely went off because the lower back pain, what I had, I cannot feel that, which I was having it for over 10 years now. So this is one thing, it's like a miraculously it is gone, but I have some neck pain, so which I'm getting treated now, and then he's treating with the Agnikarma for that. But neck pain is a very recent issue, maybe a temporary one, but back pain is what I came for. And they also give anima, and from past 15 days I've never passed my motions the way I have passed in this last 15 days. They treat you with that oil. They give you some kind of an oil to be mixed with milk, and then you take it, so that clears the gut. And anima is for the joints. They give you some kind of a therapies to do it at home. Overall, I'm very very satisfied with the way it has happened. From where I wouldn't say that I've completely recovered, but he has given me a series of process how it would be. The back pain is totally gone. Now I have to go into a maintenance mode, like come every 1 month, 15 days, and just get that treated. At the last day, they also did um, wet
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 cupping.
cupping, and the amount of satisfaction is at a different level, because they do. It's a complicated process which doctor will explain, but they take out the blood where you see the blood clots coming out, the toxins coming out in your naked eye, and after that you suddenly feel that you have a very light body. You don't have any stiffness anywhere. At least it just happened today, so I really cannot feel that pains in the shoulder, pains in the back. So I would recommend everyone who is trying to do any physiotherapy and trying to come here, try this process and realize the difference. And I can bet that it would be a completely a successful story for anybody. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.